Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and yummy mouth watering and delicious masala guava recipe, which is so tasty and also filled with many health benefits. As you know, it aids in weight loss, it reduces blood pressure, it reduces the risk of heart diseases, and of course reduces the diabetes or the sugar. So for that, first of all, take in the chopped guava into a big mixing bowl and add in the following ingredients into it. So first of all, add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt into it and toss it thoroughly so that the salt gets mixed well. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and give them all a good mix. So this recipe is going to be very tasty, and apart from that has numerous health benefits. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala powder for a tangy taste, and finally give it a mix. Now we are going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is anti-inflammatory and gives numerous health benefits, and it adds up very good like a cherry on top of cake when you mix it with guava. So here you go, your masala guava is just ready. Do not add in red chili powder into it, as it can cause heartburn and even the digestion problems. And here this is ready. Do take it in your mid-morning snack or your evening snack. This is going to be very delicious and has numerous health benefits, and if you take this in the right way, you will never catch cold, as many people have myth about it. So this was the recipe for today. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.